Hold your horses! Hey there, science fans! Today we're diving into the wild world of AI and a drink that claims to make you smarter. Can a concoction really boost your brain power? Let's find out. We all want to be our sharpest selves, right? So when I heard about this AI-designed drink promising to boost IQ, I knew I had to investigate. Could this be the secret to unlocking our full intellectual potential? As a science guy, I'm always skeptical of big claims, especially when it comes to something as complex as the human brain. But hey, that's what science is all about: testing, analyzing, and getting to the bottom of things. So buckle up, because we're about to embark on a quest for knowledge, exploring the science of IQ and whether this viral drink lives up to the hype. Get ready for a wild ride. This drink, aptly named CogniBoost, is being touted as a revolutionary breakthrough in cognitive enhancement. Imagine a sleek silver can with vibrant blue lettering promising to unleash your inner genius. Sounds pretty tempting, right? The company behind CogniBoost claims their AI algorithms have identified a unique blend of nootropics, vitamins, and minerals that supposedly optimize brain function, leading to a significant increase in IQ scores. They even have testimonials from people claiming the drink has made them sharper and more focused. Now, I don't know about you, but I'm not one to be swayed by fancy marketing and anecdotal evidence. We need cold, hard data. So I decided to conduct my own little experiment to see if this drink could really live up to the hype. Stay tuned to find out what went down. To test CogniBoost's claims, I designed a simple experiment. First, I took a standardized IQ test to establish a baseline score. Then I cracked open a can of CogniBoost, took a big swig, and waited for the brain-boosting magic to happen. After the recommended waiting period, I took the same IQ test again. The moment of truth had arrived. Would my score skyrocket, proving CogniBoost to be a legitimate brain-enhancing elixir? Or would it be a bust? Another case of clever marketing preying on our desire for a quick fix? The anticipation was killing me. But before we reveal the results, let's take a closer look at what's actually in this drink and whether there's any scientific basis for its claims. Get ready for some serious science talk. Drumroll, please. After meticulously comparing my pre- and post-CogniBoost IQ test scores, the results were in, and they might surprise you. There was absolutely no significant difference between the two scores. Now, before you jump to conclusions, let's analyze the ingredients list. CogniBoost contains a blend of ingredients often marketed as nootropics, such as ginkgo biloba, caffeine, and L-theanine. While some studies suggest these substances might have mild cognitive benefits, the evidence is far from conclusive. Moreover, the dosages in CogniBoost are likely too small to have a noticeable impact. It's like trying to paint a house with a single drop of paint. You need a substantial amount to see real results. So, while CogniBoost might provide a temporary energy boost thanks to the caffeine, it's highly unlikely to cause a measurable increase in IQ. Section 5: IQ Unmasked, Genes, Environment, and What It All Means. To understand why a drink can't magically boost your IQ, we need to delve into what IQ actually is. Intelligence is a complex trait influenced by a multitude of factors, with genetics playing a significant role. Think of it like this. Your genes provide the blueprint for your brain's potential. But genes aren't the whole story. Our environment, upbringing, education, and life experiences also shape our cognitive abilities. It's like building a house. You need both a solid foundation, which is your genes, and the right materials and construction, which is your environment, to create a strong and functional structure. So, while we can't change our genes, we can certainly influence our cognitive development through learning, stimulating experiences, and a healthy lifestyle. Section 6. Want a sharper mind? Ditch the quick fixes. Now, I know what you're thinking, Bill, you just burst my bubble. Is there no hope for improving my brain power? Don't worry, my friends. There are plenty of evidence-based ways to enhance your cognitive function, but they don't involve magic potions or quick fixes. Think of your brain as a muscle. The more you challenge and exercise it, the stronger it becomes. Engaging in activities that require mental effort, such as puzzles, brain games, learning a new language, or playing a musical instrument, can help keep your mind sharp. Just like a muscle needs rest and recovery, so does your brain. And that's where the often overlooked aspect of sleep comes in. Section 7. The power of sleep, your brain's best friend. Never underestimate the power of a good night's sleep. When we sleep, our brains are hard at work consolidating memories, clearing out toxins, and preparing us for the day ahead. Chronic sleep deprivation, on the other hand, can have detrimental effects on cognitive function, impairing memory, attention, and decision-making abilities. It's like trying to run a marathon without any training or fueling your body. You're bound to hit a wall. So, if you're serious about boosting your brain power, make sure you're getting enough shut-eye. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to allow your brain to rest, recharge, and function at its best. Section 8. Separating fact from fiction. Don't be fooled. The bottom line is this: there's no magic bullet for boosting IQ. While companies may try to entice us with promises of quick and easy cognitive enhancement, it's crucial to approach such claims with a healthy dose of skepticism. Remember, if something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Always do your research, consult reputable sources, and don't fall for marketing gimmicks that prey on our desire for a shortcut to success. Section 9. Stay curious, stay smart. The human brain is an incredible organ, capable of lifelong learning and adaptation. While we may not be able to alter our genetic predispositions, we have immense power to shape our cognitive abilities through our actions, habits, and mindset. So ditch the quick fixes and embrace the journey of lifelong learning. Challenge yourself, stay curious, and never stop exploring the vast potential of your amazing brain. And remember, true intelligence lies not just in what you know, but also in your ability to think critically, adapt to new information, and never stop questioning the world around you. Stay curious, stay smart,